Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a new video of a slightly new or different hairstyle that's just in fashion. Basically, a lot of people just want to do this. It's just mainly a twist or little braid kind of thing, and it's just a high top. So I'm doing it, as you can see, on my client slash um boss slash the owner of the salon. So he wanted something different, so we thought we'd give it a go. So obviously I haven't started from the beginning, mainly because my battery died as always. um I started videoing in the beginning, but then I didn't see the clip because obviously my battery died. So I just wanted to make sure that I shared some of the clip for you guys, and this is all I could find to show you. So I'm just going around in circle basically to do it. He had already gotten a fade because the person that was doing it was gonna go, so he had to quickly get a fade just to match with the look. But yeah, this is how far we have gone. As you can see, I still have quite a few on top to go. So basically, in case obviously you can't see what I'm doing, but what I'm doing is just simply grabbing his hair. It's about 3 inches um long, so I'm just grabbing it and I'm twisting it. That's all I'm doing, nothing more, nothing less. This is obviously, if you can grab short hair, then you can definitely do this, but if you can't and you want to do this style, I highly recommend you let your hair grow out a little bit, because I'm not sure how it will pan out if you use extension. Or it might work out well, but if you use like a small extension and then cut it out to suit your need in terms of length. But basically that's all I'm doing. I'm just grabbing the hair and I'm twisting it, and I'm also using some dreadlocks cream to apply on the hair as I go. So here is the back side of the hair. As you can see, I'm just cutting out the lines and then I'm going ahead and starting my twisting again. But yeah, it's not much to see here, but just enjoy watching it as always. So here is another clip of my young nephew. He just wanted similar style but slightly different. He didn't want a twist, he wanted a braid instead, so you can last him for like a fortnight because he's going back to school after Easter. So this is what I did, and just a similar style but on a braided pattern, rather than twist, because his hair is about yeah, about 3 inch long as well, but he just wanted braid. So that's what I'm going ahead and doing to show you. So here's the back side as well. I'm just really doing it, not much as well, just going ahead combing it out, and then I'm showing you how I braided it. And just little portions is all I'm grabbing, not much, nothing more, because if you grab it in big sizes then obviously it's not going to look nice. But I'm just grabbing it small, and then I'm just going ahead and twisting it, I mean braiding it, not twisting, because he wanted braid instead. So that's all I'm doing here. Yeah, and this is how far I've come as well. He's gonna go get a fade after I've done doing his hair. so that it will look nice. But this is it so far. So yeah.